Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Paramount number 66 chain bolt. I have it here. And I'll tell you, my initial reaction to this was I didn't expect it to feel as good of a build quality as it does. I've not seen every chain bolt in the world, that's to be sure, especially not those that are from several decades ago, but in terms of what's available today in chain bolts that are most certainly manufactured offshore, this is a nice one. What I mean by that is the chain is larger than what I'm accustomed to. The spring draw is fairly substantial. It has two plates that are about 0.06, so about a 1/16 of an inch thick, that the fasteners will pass through. But strangely though, speaking of that, fasteners are not included with these, and you're going to need at least you'll need 10 screws, 10 some type of fastener. And what's odd about that is being black japanned, you're out there looking for black screws, I would imagine. I know what the factory will say, well, we're not sure what they're attaching it to. Well, assume it's wood, if you're going to assume something, and if you don't want to assume that, price it with both machine and wood screws and be done with it. So be mindful, you've got to get some fasteners for this, and if you're ordering black, you probably want black. Although, the head of these rivets are not black, so you might be able to live with typical zinc colored type of material. Let's take some basic dimensional properties of this item right now. Okay, so the width of the body, so to speak, about 2 inch. Overall height of it, looks like it's about 7 3/8. It's going to have an overall projection off the face of the door of about 13/16. Projection of the bolt, looks like it's about 1 3/8. Length of the chain, probably an easier way to do this. Looks like it's about 21 inch, 21.5 inch. It's going to have two pieces of two guides that you're going to need. First of all, well, a strike and a guide. You'll have the rim strike here. It's less of a strike as much as it would be a keeper, I suppose. Yeah, so you're going to be looking like this. Give you a dimension of what this is. Overall width, about 2.5. Overall height, about 1 inch. Overall projection, looks like it's about 1 inch. Then you're going to have a, this would be a guide. This is going to be a guide for your chain. Just like this. Look something in that range. Overall width of this, about 1 inch and 15/16. Overall height, about 1 1/4 inch. Overall projection, looks like it's about 3/4 inch. Now, what would you use a chain bolt for? Let's talk about that now. The chain bolt's going to be a very common way to keep a door in the closed position, generally the inactive door of a pair, where all you're going to do is just reach up and pull on that chain and allow that door to swing. Very easy. They're surface mounted. There's not much to it, provided that the door is not greater than 8 foot tall. You'll have really no trouble at all reaching it because of the length of the chain. And surface mounted. What's interesting is they show...
Editor's technical note. The desk demonstration raises a question about handing and strike location. The published Paramount template describes Model 66 as reversible for in-swing and out-swing doors, and identifies Model 60SIXS as the optional surface strike for out-swing doors. Because actual header, stop, and door geometry decide where the bolt lands, confirm the swing and strike before drilling. On the published template, Model 66 is steel with a black japanned finish. The body is 7 3/8 inches long by 2 inches wide. The bolt is 5/8 inch square, with a 1 5/16 inch throw. Listed unit weight is 1.5 pounds. Field check the supplied unit before laying out holes. Fasteners are not included. Choose fasteners for the actual door material, thickness, reinforcement, edge distance, and expected load. If finish appearance matters, select compatible black fasteners, but never substitute appearance for adequate strength or thread engagement. The product is catalogued as reversible, but the supplied literature does not explain a field disassembly procedure. Do not bend chain links or open the spring-loaded assembly based only on a general video. Ask the manufacturer or a qualified hardware installer for current reversal instructions. A chain bolt is auxiliary hardware, commonly used to restrain an inactive leaf. It is not a substitute for listed automatic flush bolts, panic hardware, or required egress hardware. Before using it on a fire-rated or means-of-egress opening, confirm the door listing, adopted codes, accessibility, and the authority having jurisdiction. Bottom line, verify door swing, strike location, bolt engagement, chain reach, and fasteners at the actual opening. Use the optional 60SIXS only where the current manufacturer data and field geometry call for it. Current product data can change, so check the linked literature before installation.
If you have any questions on the Paramount 66 or any other Paramount product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.